making blueberry coconut pineapple smoothie. I'm going to use a dash of ginger, some chia seeds, a cup of coconut milk, pineapples. I'm going to use chunks, but it would be best to use crush in its own pineapple juices. Honey, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of honey. There's my coconut, couple of pieces of coconut. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. In that little bag with the rubber band is some almonds. And there is my blueberries. Now, I would normally put this in a big mixer. However, I just received a portable blender, and I'm going to break this down and put it in my portable blender. So let's see how it works. The recipe I gave is to make it in a big blender, and this I'm just going to get ahead and dump mine into here. So first I'm going to add some blueberries. Well, making a mess. Coconut milk. I love the coconut milk. It tastes delicious. Fill that up about halfway. Okay, I'm going to add my coconut. I'm going to add my vanilla. My ginger. My almonds. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. Not too much. Let's pour a glass and see how it tastes. But before we do that, I'm going to add a dash of honey. Honey at the end because I don't want it too sweet. So I'm pour just a little bit of honey. About a teaspoon or so. Because this is my portable one. I'm put the top back on, run it again. When we be back, you'll see it in a cup. Yummy, yummy. Yep, yep. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Now I'm going to make smoothie in a bowl. And the only difference is a couple of things. So let me show you. First, I have oats. And this is just some generic oats that you can get ahead and get anywhere. And these are not instant oats. These are just regular oats. Then you need some blueberries. Milk, just like you used before. But instead of using the ginger, you're going to switch over to the cinnamon. And instead of using a guave or a sugar substitute, we're going to do tablespoons of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of oatmeal. So first you want to put your oatmeal in because you want your oatmeal to be all grounded to like a powder. The thicker you want this determines by how much milk you're going to put in. You want to put less milk and more dry ingredients to make it thick for the bowl.